Epic Boss Production presents a Jamaican movie, Josiah the Top Choppa, starring Sister Petra's Josiah, Epic Boss's Josiah.
I don't understand how Miss Marcia don't come in this morning to tidy up my decks. I don't like when my decks is untidy, you know. I should not know I'm gonna late anyhow. Hello, morning 311. Detective Simit speaking. How may I assist? Calm down, miss. Could you calm down? Calm down. You're saying that there has been a robbery at her house? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Okay, alright. Tell you what, give me the address. You're saying Mount Olivet Street? $460? Okay, miss. Miss, don't worry. I'm going to send a team right over. Yes, miss. Don't worry about it. Okay, they'll be there shortly. Alright. Have a good morning. Okay, bye-bye. My God. They just lied and people rob the people in house already? My God, I've gone home. Good morning. Yes, alright. I wanted to dispatch a team right now at Mount Olivet Street, 460. There has been a robbery. And the lady, she's in shock. So as soon as you reach on the premises, you give me a call so I can know what is happening. Thank you. Alright. Alright, cool, bye. Jesus Christ.
Good morning, Detective Smith.
Hi, Inspector Brown. How can I assist?
Well, you know, someone may go on a mission this morning, though.
I'm hearing you.
Father just called me a while ago, right? Said the bank called him. And when him realized, I know the bank, some chopper chop some money from him, 20,000 US.
So how your father get involved with that?
Well, me no know, you know. Cause me hear mama in her background and say, she tell him, say, I chop them, I chop him money. But from me young, him want a breakthrough, you know. So any lead him get or any new sound good, him run with it. So him get chopped this morning.
So what do you want me to do for you, sir?
Well, me run the number in the system and me see say them GPS on. So me know exactly the location which part them base. So want me you go on the mission there. If you're not busy.
Actually, as you can see that I am busy, but because you want me to go with you, alright. What's the time? Because I have to wrap up what I'm doing on the decks.
How long
I can't
you
just leave it. Just tell me the time.
Well, me a plan say me da just go fi gun them and carry them and me just.
Alright, go ahead and just let me wrap up what I'm doing here, sir.
Well, me have to sign out mine, you know, so you know, so you have to come sign out here.
Don't worry about that, sir.
Alright then.
Have a good morning, sir.
Same to you.
I'll be there in
about wait too long still.
I'll be there in about half an hour, sir. I can't just leave my decks and come right away. So just give me a little time, alright?
Okay.
My God, there's trouble everywhere. Problem everywhere. I can see the time that we're living in. Alright, let me just go ahead. When I come back, I just finish all of this. Jeremiah have to leave out of this house today. He's not staying here with me. Can you imagine our hard-earned money? Jeremiah, take it up and give this Choppa. Lord have mercy upon my soul. Him not staying in here with me. Anybody want him can't take him. I don't want him anymore. Him don't listen to people when them talk and them know more than him. My God, he must to come out of here. I don't want to see his face again. Never. No, man, him doing getting out of wife!
What you put in your clothes? Why you put them? Why you put them so far?
I put in your clothes there because you're coming out.
I tell you that we son gotta rectify the problem.
I care about you one son. Me talking about our hard-earned money that you give away to the choppers.
So when you take out my clothes, when me ever go down my wife?
Me look like me care. I don't care who wants you now where you want to go. You're going to leave. I can't bear to see your face anymore.
My wife just give me a chance, my wife.
I say no. You don't listen to me. Every day me and you have the same problem. I don't want to see you. You got to go.
Lord have mercy, Almighty
And
God.
what's wrong with you?
Almighty God.
Every day you call upon God and you're
You
eating.
don't get something for real,
See
my
now?
wife.
I'm sitting but I'm not listening.
I want to really get myself in that
Now you know
God.
it is too late for your shower of rain. When I talk to you, you won't listen.
My wife.
What? Listen.
Operation to go through, so you're going to just push me out in a while you could do see me in your bag.
Yes.
I don't even deserve a suitcase.
Not even a suitcase.
Almighty
You're lucky
God.
you get them in a bag. You should get them in your hand.
My wife. I saw you're going to make 30 years worth of marriage go down the drain. 30 years, my wife. You
Yes.
don't give up like that.
Yes, and point of correction. I take back the wife from you. I am not your wife.
Almighty God, we can't believe that my wife never loved me.
Hello.
If it never comes
Hello,
to
shut up.
this, I
Listen.
wouldn't know that she never loved me.
Well, now you know, and listen to me. When you know wicked, that's how you call upon God. A wicked, you wicked, you call him God.
I never knew I would have lived to see my wife packing up my clothes.
Well, now you see it, so you better wake up.
All this operation we been through.
I don't care.
My wife putting me out.
Yes.
The next man in the
I
house.
don't want another man, because if you do me, so what the next man going to do?
Almighty God.
Shut up your mouth.
My wife.
You do me too much.
My wife.
What?
I tell you that my son gonna rectify the problem, my wife.
Listen to me, I don't care.
Give me a next chance so my wife will go through a lot, you know.
Then if you know that we go through a lot, why you do this to me at this stage? Look how I'm old and I don't have nothing.
My wife.
Huh? You take it and give it away to the people
My
then.
wife.
What?
I thought it was my breakthrough, my wife. All I wanted is for us to be happy, you know, my wife.
It
I
look like...
don't do it for myself alone, you know.
Okay, so it look like I'm happy?
No, my wife, I see that now you're not happy.
Why me give thanks to me brother? My God, what make me man make me there they suffer so long, man? Me this go up on me brother in a one day everything change. My God. Boy, them a chopper life ya. The man them they live. Boy, me have to enjoy to the fullest, brother. Trust me. It's nice. Look at me living lavish. What are we me man there so long? Fi me case and consider with me and enjoy himself. Brother.
Why you always do things and you don't come and confirm it with me
Because
first?
my wife, I think it was my breakthrough, my wife, and I didn't want it to pass me. Because me can't do nothing for you happy, my wife, and this one time now, me swear me can help you so we can live some lavish life, my wife. It everything start go downhill.
Oh, God.
My wife,
Uh-huh. So what me fi do? Me fi this? No, this sorry for you, sir? Me always sorry for you, Jeremiah. Every minute me give a chance, you do something worse.
Almighty God.
Call him again.
Hear me cry, hear me
Yeah,
cry.
if only when you're in trouble you call upon my God, no bother with it. Leaving him alone.
So my wife, so you say to me now, I eat this between the two of we.
Then if you say I hit this, why you asking? Take up your dulcimini and go. This is your dulcimini. Take it and move. I will stay by myself.
Almighty God, so my wife, if my son rectify the problem, what if you do take you all my money and leave you tight then?
I don't care. I'm tired of you messing up. Go. Anybody want you can get you. Go ahead.
Almighty God.
Yes, call him.
I never know say this day would have
Long time in night, you know, must have that's why I achieve some more sitting already. Me want one house out of it too, you know. I hope this money
Honey.
can list. Kuya, me man, you come back.
Why you tired? That tired, honey.
And the bag them look heavy too, you know. How why you night so?
Why? Get some rice, you know.
You buy rice? Cause no none in the house.
You get ketchup on
Me
this.
God. And them your rich people sitting here, you buy.
Yeah, honey.
My God. Kuya man.
See you there.
Alright,
I live
good devil.
lavish.
Then what you expect? How what you expect? See me
Out
to
all
one.
big liquor sitting here.
Me they tell you. Man.
Buy
What
all
is that?
cornflakes, honey.
Lord God. Kuya. And the first me see this a cornflakes here.
Buy all macaroni too.
But I be expensive sitting here by me, man. Lord God. Put them back in, man, and make me drink some. Enjoy yourself.
I wish one of them, yeah, man.
Just take one of them, man. Nobody watching up here. Yeah, they cock up your foot and show. And when you buy this, a pretty sexy.
You know, say a while ago, I buy it, do and change off.
So I make
Hey, neighbor!
blessed love. We live in lavish. So tell me something, my man. You mean to say you buy this down on the road and put it on the same time?
Right away.
Why you extra, brother? Oh, you extra, so. Look for you can't imagine say I too how we they live them your life, yeah. Oh
I
God.
never know say this day would come, you know, honey.
You see your face, you should have
We
glad. Say,
suffer still, you know,
me
honey.
glad you know, you should have glad
Why?
for me, brother. You have to go call me brother and talk to him and beg him pardon.
We talk to him when
I
the time
make
is
with him
right.
so, he make with
We
them live
still
so.
have him up still.
Go your face, so your face have him up and you they do the same thing. What you they do? Go your nasty face, no. Watch you. We not used to them here, you know.
No, honey, make a cheers to a new beginning.
A new beginning, we're going to be rich as from now.
Oh, God.
And who can talk to we again?
Me wife, you really say me must go?
I said to go and stop asking me question. You sound like you're stupid.
Almighty
That
God.
will teach you a lesson. That when me talk to you, you must listen to me. Every minute you make the same mistake. You do things by your own and left we in a deep trouble. Me sorry for you, but what me fi do? I have to do the right thing to make me happy. You know what? Let me go and see if he's really gone. I feel so sorry for him, you know. Oh God, I don't think I should let him leave, because he's my little companion. Jeremiah! Jeremiah!
Me say, anybody about what you see all who look down for me, them better
You
not
know,
chat to me, you know.
Them a feel look up to it now.
Me I say, you know much of them look down for we and things they won't come to nothing.
Look at us now.
Look at us, they can't chat to we. They shame me now when they see we now, you know. Oh, look pa, we live in the chat
When I say, honey, we have to go give mama something, you know.
Yeah man, you know say it's
We
a
have to go
must.
take a trip, go look for your mother and my mother.
No
You
problem,
understand?
anytime you're ready, man.
We can
Anytime
go
you're ready.
tomorrow because we don't have nothing to do.
Well, make we see how today goes and then after we don't know if we don't wake up in the morning. Maybe when we don't flash, we just sleep away tomorrow.
Anything possible, that's why you have to live life for now.
That me they say,
Tomorrow provide for itself. Right?
oh God. Look for me, man. Oh God. God, are we this Diana?
Me can't believe,
God. All them alikaya. Baba.
Hash still, you know, honey.
He could have hash till he hash. With a drinky because guess watch out. You gloppy half already?
Yeah.
You can look at you when they're dead feel hungry.
Thirsty, man, honey.
But I know so you drink them, you drink your kind of hash, it will kill you.
Boy.
You fit take your time.
Honey, when me a look for, you know.
Yeah.
You know, so we have to go buy a car, though, because we can't bother if you walk up and down and we are chopping, honey.
You should know that from long time that I want to put up my foot on it. A dashboard they call it.
Yes, honey.
You got to buy one.
Yes. The next money we chop is a car we are going to buy, because we can't chop and walk, honey.
I'm in a feast, I only care me want, you know, when
Where
we
want?
chop the next chop, you know.
Where one?
I need one house too in them place there where nobody can come.
We need a house in a mountain with nobody in the road because
Me no
young
business.
people don't really get along, you know, honey.
I don't know they cannot get along with me because they will friend us to thief for our money.
And it now go happen, you know. It now go happen.
Where me there?
Because,
Where me
honey,
there?
me a go buy a nice machine, you know. I mean, I talk about sewing machine. You know what kind of machine?
Protecting machine.
Okay. Honey, now put on them here inside and
It's on
come
hot,
back.
not true.
Why?
Lord God.
Now put on them here and come back,
Tell
honey.
me, man. You soon come.
Me soon come back.
You can't even manage your bag. You take up too much thing. And so me know we have to buy the car the next week. Yes, man. All of the haters who don't see me now. Me and my man living lavish. You know,
How
say,
far up your son?
see location, man. It look like a right over here, you know. Look how wicked them.
Yeah,
there.
man, at the house that, you know.
Yo,
But no somebody that pan the land, no one woman that pan the land.
one little girl on the land here come tell about if I somebody that's on the land. So here you know.
All a flash. But you know see,
You are gonna deal with she and me are gonna deal with the boy.
me ready right now, me
Listen,
ready.
me man, them have to tell we are who and them in this. You know.
We want the whole troop of them, the whole gang of them, we are grown up today and carry them in.
Why me
You
a tell
understand me I say?
Are some wicked nation them there, you know, man.
Jesus
Them young
Christ.
people are some wicked, them merciless. See?
Them thing you need to stop in a long time, then chopping thing you go on, you need to stop you now, you know.
Alright, tell
We
her.
are going to make an example out of them today.
I'm glad you know that.
You understand? So
Glad
deal
you
with
know.
the man, and we will deal with the woman.
Alright, come
we are going
on.
to deal with them differently when we catch them
Me a
today.
tell you, watch her to know.
And see a flash with my father money.
My God.
Come
I
in.
could mash them up, man.
Some boy know money. Bricks, enough money. Etiquette them. Billions, billion. Man a stack cheddar pan cheddar bricks pan bricks. And no lightweight and no feather. Me a analyze money, call me money professor. My brain run at no like a processor. Me no love slave driver, so keep we oppressor. Man a beat them bad belt. Leather them can't keep up. Peace, pressure diamond stud boot. No sketcher. I said the money can't. I said the money can't. Bricks pan bricks in a bag with a couple pound. I said the money can't. I said the money can't. Hot foot out and I lock the street and the town. I said the money can't. I said the money can't. Girl get